ஹாய்.
வணக்கம். ஹாய்.
ஸோ நான் இப்போ வந்து மிஞ்சுனுக்கு தமிழ் சொல்லித்தர போகிறேன். ஸோ வாட் யூ வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் இன் தமிழ்?
Beautiful. This is beautiful.
இது அழகானது.
இது
இது அழகானது. திஸ் இஸ் பியூட்டிஃபுல்.
இது
அழகானது.
அலா
அழகானது.
அழகானது. அழகானது.
அழகானது.
இது அழகானது. ரைட்யா?
ரைட்.
இது அழகானது.
அழகானது.
அழகானது. இது அழகானது. ரைட்? Getting perfect? இது அழகானது.
அழகானது.
ஹனது.
This park is beautiful. We have to say இது this பூங்கா. இந்த பூங்கா அழகானது.
இது what? இது இந்த பூங்கா. இந்த பூங்கா.
இந்த பூங்கா அழகானது.
இந்த பூங்கா. இந்த பூங்கா அழகானது.
எனக்கு வேற ஒரு மாதிரியாவே கேக்குது. எல்லாமே பேட் வேர்டு மாதிரி கேக்குது.
Rami,
okay.
listen.
Something else you want to learn?
Why something problem 있어?
아니에요.
아나 푼가?
아니에요.
너야? It's so difficult.
So yeah, it's so difficult for you. Just to go with easy words.
Rami is so beautiful.
லாமி அழகானவள்.
Rami 알아나 aber
அழகானவள்.
nabar
அழகானவள்.
alaha ara. I know alaha ara.
Okay, அழகானவர்.
nabar right?
அழகானவர்.
Lami alaha nabar right?
You should say together, not separate.
Of course, but I need practice. Yeah.
Okay, practice.
Korean you 할 수 있어? 이렇게 best 할 수 있냐고.
할 수 있어. 나 드라마 많이 보는데.
You drama 많이 봤지만 I watch Tamil movie only 5 Tamil movie야. How can I do like this?
이거 it's not my problem. You didn't watch. 이건 your
you
problem.
You didn't show me잖아. How can I find 야?
I showed you. There was no English subtitles. There is no Korean
English
subtitles.
subtitle 없으면 어떻게 I understand 야?
So I cannot do anything. So you have to study hard. How I did Korean.
Okay. Today anyway I learned 아나항
அழகானவள்.
அழகானவர்.
லாமி அழகானவள்.
람이 알아난 나발.
நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க. எனக்கு தமிழ் சொல்லி கொடுக்க சொல்றீங்களே. எனக்கு டயர்ட் ஆகுது. Okay.
람이 알아한 나발.
Easy one.
Yes.
நான் லாமியை லவ் பண்றேன்.
லவ் பண்றேன்.
which means காதலிக்கிறேன். This is only he know. இது மட்டும் தாங்க ஈஸியா சொல்ல தர முடியும்.
லவ் partner? What?
லவ் பண்றேன்.
What is பண்றேன்?
பண்றேன் means doing. I'm doing love.
Love is English. Only I learn is பண்றேன்.
Okay. Then if you want anything good word, you have to ask me.
Okay. 난 라미의 love பண்றேன்.
Very good.
One by one이야. You always teach me so best. How can I understand 야?
அழகானவள் இதுக்கு மேலே என்னால் டீச் பண்ண முடியலைங்க.
Anyway, I learned Alejandre, right?
அழகானவள்.
Alejandro.
This is when you are saying girls. Say when you are saying boys, அழகானவன்.
Alejandran.
Then when you are saying like girls? Elders or both, அழகானவர். It's a common. அழகானவர்.
Alejandro.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Girls what? Alejandro.
Yes.
Why boys not bannya? Why different? Yeah.
이거는 in Tamil so in Tamil we used to separate when we are representing boys and girls.
So Naban is some weird,
Ani?
not weird, yeah.
It's not weird when you are saying he is beautiful. We have to say avan alahanavan.
But it's weird between boys. Why we say Alahan Naban? It's so weird, jana.
Because we are representing boys like this, girls separately, boys separately. So we don't like how to say in. You are saying for boys it's so for girls yappayo, right?
I got it. I understand.
You're okay. So we just we don't have separate words. So we just separate only only male or female like this. Gender only we separate.
I got it. In Korean we have 예뻐요, 잘생겼어요 있잖아.
예뻐요 means 알아가나발. When 잘생겼어 you are representing only boys, not girls, right?
알아나반. Yes, I understand.
Oh, pada.
I'm smart, yeah.
I will teach next to in Tamil word. Then if you learn very quickly, I will agree that you are smart.
Okay, what is next?
Next, you teach me in Korean word, very difficult Korean word.
Very difficult Korean word. You know, very difficult Korean word is Chinese, yeah. That's problem. So how can I teach you like that?
It's okay, just to teach me. So you have to say like this. How I'm saying beautiful in Tamil. So like that you have to say one word.
Okay. I just want to ask you about sunset. What is sunset? Yeah.
I don't know.
Sunset in Korean, 석양.
Sokyang.
석양이야.
Sokyang.
석양.
Sokyang. I am very
So
fast
easy,
learner. So we can say I am the smart. So everyone can agree that I am very smart.
I'm science major, yeah.
So whatever.
I'm engineer. Science.
I'm also studied engineering.
No.
Okay.
Language is weak part.
Okay. We both are smart. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.